Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Aquarius Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 5th of October. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. The overall energy for you guys, for Aquarius people for this week. Let's see what we have. पिया बस तेरी में. We have the intensity. You guys might feel like moving towards a particular person or situation with full force. It's like you're going to get this intense desire, intense energy of moving in a particular direction. But before running towards something or someone with this much intensity, try to understand what will be the pros and cons of your action, why you are doing whatever you are doing. That why should be very clear in your energies. Then you can move ahead. So the overall energy is of feeling the intensity of moving towards a particular person or situation with full force without even realizing what it is going to bring for you guys on the table. Now you should be aware and understand why do you want what you want. Your why should be very clear so that you can sort it out. Okay, let's start for the week. For today, we have the ripeness. So, you are about to get the fruits of your hard work very soon. So, if you have already done a project, already completed your work or finished your project or something, and you are like waiting for the results, you're about to get them. Like maybe today, like for in some countries, like today, 29th of September is a little bit delayed afterwards, but whatever you are waiting for, you are going to get the results. If you are about to give up on something that you know is about to be finished, you are about to reach to the finish line, don't do that, Aquarius, because you are definitely going to get the results of your hard work very soon. Okay, something is coming to fruition here, and it's ready to give you the fruits. 30th, we have the politics. I don't remember any reading for you guys where this card doesn't come. What's wrong? What's wrong? You guys tell me, Aquarius. 30th of September, you guys have to be aware of those friends, those people, those situations and things that are presenting themselves as very positive, or they are trying to, steal from you. Maybe your work, maybe your career, maybe your reputation. So especially a group of people who might be trying to make you feel like they are your friend, and they are here there to help you, but they are actually envious of you, jealous of you. Especially office politics is very prominent for this day. So beware of sharing your details with somebody, okay, or sharing your plans with someone. Keep your things to yourself, and don't overly trust on anybody. Don't blindly trust anybody, okay, because it's going to become a shit show afterwards if you are going to be not aware of this. Then we have 1st of October, we have the guidance. You might be seeking for some kind of guidance in some area of your life. You will be able to get the guidance, but you're not going to get it from wherever you are expecting it from. You might get it from a very unexpected source. For example, you might get it in your dreams, the answer. You might get it in your meditation. You might get it, let's say, for example, if you're having some kind of trouble in your relationship area, and you're sitting somewhere and two people are talking about the same kind of situation, and they are kind of giving the solution. So you are going to get the guidance very thoroughly, but you should be open enough and flexible enough to get it from anywhere. It can be from a book, it can be from a YouTube video, it can be from anywhere. So you can simply state to the universe that I am ready and open and receive I am ready to, and open to receive the guidance from wherever it is possible. I am open. I just need to get the guidance right now, and you will be able to figure it out. Okay. 2nd of October, we have the slow down. Aquarius, you might be working too much, you might be doing certain things in your life too much. You're not slowing down, you're not relaxing, you're not taking a break from your day to day life, and you're being overwhelmed here. Slowing down and relaxing is actually a process that can make you more productive, that can give you more energy to do certain things in a beautiful and positive way. So focus on the quantity, focus on the quality of your life instead of the quantity, first thing. Second thing, slowing down doesn't mean that you're losing, it means you're winning. Okay. Continuously working like I don't know what to say, like a robot, like a machine, is not going to help you. Okay, you are a human. You are here to enjoy your life. Of course, money is important, but money is not everything. Okay, slow down, relax, and take time for yourself. Just an example of money. It's not about money only right now. 3rd of October, we have the past lives. See, Aquarius, there is something in your life that keeps on coming back to you, or in your life in some kind of lesson, again and again and again and again. What is happening here is, even if you're getting the lesson, you are not integrating the lesson in your 3D world, or you are not able to learn the lesson properly. You have to break some kind of chain or cycle here that keeps on repeating itself continuously in your life. It can be a past person, past situation. It can be a habit, simply a habit. It can be a family issue that keeps on coming up and popping up again and again and again. You guys need to look into this matter thoroughly and properly and break the cycle here. Of course, you can take help from somebody in order to understand it properly and then let it go. The the most important thing that can help you guys is meditation. When we start meditating, and when we go deep in meditation, we start healing these things consciously or unconsciously. They start getting healed, they start getting released, even if we consciously know that or not, right? Okay. 4th, we have the compromise. You don't have to compromise your dignity, your self worth, in order to maintain a situation that is not worth it. If something or someone is asking for compromise or sacrifice from your side, make sure that something or someone, that person or that situation, is worthy of your compromise, is worthy of your sacrifice. Okay. Otherwise, let's say, for example, you are going to compromise or sacrifice something really, really good, really meaningful for you in order to maintain a relationship, in order to keep a situation going. What if they are never going to understand it, the other person? What if they will not be able to deliver you productive things? Sometimes letting go and not compromising or sacrificing is the answer. Basically, do not lose your self-worth and dignity for something that's not worth it. Period. Simple. Okay. 5th of October, we have the success. Aquarius, you might get some kind of success, and you have every right, and you should actually celebrate your success to the fullest. But do not forget that it's not like only you deserve this success, or only you are capable of having this success in your life. Nobody else is capable. Check out the arrogance or the negative attitude that you are going to have towards others, as if anybody else cannot have it, cannot have this success, or they don't deserve it. So celebrate, but remain humble and grounded, so that your success is going to make you feel more and more happy and peaceful from inside, instead of making you arrogant, instead of making you like only you deserve this, or only you can have it. Okay, that you have to keep in check. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Aquarius. We have the laziness. You might be delaying the important things that needs your energy, your effort, your time right now. This laziness is like, okay, I'm creating materialistic happiness, I'm creating luxurious life, I'm creating a good life for myself, so I should enjoy. Definitely you should enjoy, but do not avoid the important things, maybe the internal happiness, the internal peace that you're not getting. You might be avoiding it, or you might be procrastinating it, or continuously you're like, I'm going to start from tomorrow, maybe tomorrow and tomorrow. The tomorrow never comes. So beware of procrastinating the important things that you should be focusing on right now. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult for you to manage afterwards if not taken care of right now. Immediately, you can say. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.